Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with after updating Windows 11 updates. KB5026372 is causing VPN issues. So Microsoft is confirms that is causing VPN issue. Let's fix that problem guys until the next update arrives. For that, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Open it. Select Update History and select Uninstall Updates. And you just want to locate the updates after you getting problem with guys. You just want to locate K5026372 and you just want to uninstall it. I am not get updated guys. You just want to uninstall for the next update until arrives. You just need to uninstall it, and after uninstalling it, go to Windows Update again, and you just need to pause the updates for few weeks guys until the next update arrives. You just need to pause it. You have reached the maximum amount of pause time to help keeps your device secure. Get the latest updates, then you are be able to pause again. Just need to pause this for 1 week or 4 weeks guys until the next updates comes up. And we just need to, after uninstalling the update, you just need to restart your PC guys, and you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.